Discover the sounds of nature. Rustle in the grass, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language that connects us with the natural world. We'll be exploring the phrase, rustle in the grass. This expression is not just about words. It's about the sounds and images these words evoke, bringing us closer to understanding how language can paint vivid pictures in our minds. So, let's get started and uncover the beauty and meaning behind this phrase. Firstly, let's break down the phrase starting with the word rustle. Rustle refers to a soft, muffled sound that is typically made by something moving lightly through leaves, paper, or, in our case, grass. It's the kind of sound you might hear on a quiet walk in the countryside or even in your backyard. The word, rustle, is both a verb and a noun, which means it can describe the action of making this sound or the sound itself. It's a key word for setting a scene or describing a moment in storytelling, bringing a sensory experience to the listener or reader. Moving on to the imagery and sensory experience evoked by rustle in the grass. This phrase does more than just describe a sound. It transports us to a specific moment. Imagine you're walking through a field or sitting in a garden, and you hear a soft rustling sound from the grass. This sound could suggest the presence of a small animal, the gentle touch of the wind, or the cautious steps of someone approaching. It's a phrase that's rich with possibilities and invites the listener to use their imagination to fill in the blanks. It's a beautiful example of how language can engage our senses and evoke vivid images and feelings. The phrase, rustle in the grass, is not just common in everyday conversation but also finds significant usage in language and literature. Writers and poets use this phrase to add depth and realism to their descriptions of natural scenes. It can build tension, create atmosphere, or convey tranquility in a narrative. Understanding this phrase and its implications can enhance one's appreciation of literature and improve one's own descriptive writing skills. It's a testament to the power of specific, sensory language to convey complex emotions and settings. We hope this exploration of the phrase, rustle in the grass, has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. This simple yet evocative phrase is a wonderful reminder of how language can connect us to the natural world, engage our senses, and spark our imaginations. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insights into the beautiful complexities of English. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and always stay curious about the world of words around you.